Lime Calcination Production Line. Henan Hongji Mine Machinery Company Limited supplies professional lime calcination production line equipment with reasonable technology and high work efficiency. The company has built many lime production lines at home and abroad since its development, which is deeply trusted by customers. The lime production line is mainly composed of limestone crushing, preheating, calcination, and cooling sections. The raw material will be fed into the silo by the dump truck and evenly fed into the draw crusher through the vibrating feeder. The crushed material will be transported to the fine draw crushers by the belt conveyor and then enter the vibrating screen after being crushed by the fine draw crushers. The first layer of large particle-sized material will be connected to the material returning belt conveyor and transported to the fine draw crushers for recrushing. The fine material under the screen will be transported to the stockpile for storage through the conveyor. The second layer of material that meets the calcination particle size requirement will be transported to the storage shed for storage. Transported to the silo by forklift and evenly enter the bucket elevator through the vibrating feeder. Then the bucket elevator will lift the material into the vertical preheater. The raw material will be evenly distributed into the preheating channel in the preheater through the storage bin at the top of the preheater. The raw material heated by the preheater will be pushed into the charging chamber at the bottom of the preheater intermittently and successfully by the hydraulic push rod device arranged around the preheater cylinder. After the materials falls into the feeding chamber, it slides into the rotary kiln through the natural landslide produced by the refractory materials built in the feeding chamber. The exhaust gas and smoke in the preheater are sent to the dust collector for filtering, and the filtered clean air is discharged from the chimney. The fine material in the bucket is conveyed to the bucket elevator by the screw conveyor, and then lifted to the fine material bin for storage and the transportation out of the vehicle. Generally, the rotary kiln uses pulverized coal or gas as fuel for calcination. In order to save energy and protect the environment, natural gas is chosen as fuel here. The burner is inserted from the head of the kiln and heats the material to the required temperature through flame radiation. Under the effects of rotation of the rotary kiln, continuously moving forward and calcination, the materials calcined in the rotary kiln enter the vertical cooler for cooling. The materials are cooled from the bottom to top and exchange heat with transverse current cooling air after entering electromagnetic vibrating feeder. The materials evenly fall into the large inclined chain conveyor and are transported to the bucket elevator, which is lifted by the bucket elevator to the vibrating screen at the top of the large silo, and then screened again. Large particles of materials are sent to number 1 silo for storage. And the fine-grained materials are sent to number 2 silo for storage. And transportation by vehicles.